What's going on, Chopstick Gang? It's your boy Barber Jase and welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video we are doing a Kim Jong-Un haircut challenge. I've got my cousin BG in a chair and I'm going to transform him and make him look like the supreme leader of North Korea. Keep it proper square. I'm going to keep it heavy on the corners here. I'm going to take the fade quite high and tight, just like my boy over there. So as you can see, my man here, his fade is pretty high, but it's very compressed. Yeah, we're going to keep it super tight. We're going to cut it square on top, and we're going to leave these super heavy corners. You already got the looks. We just need to give you the hairstyle now. We're not going to cut too much off the top because his hair is actually quite short. We need that length for it to go back. His hair is very straight as well, so if we take it too short, it's going to start spiking up. But we're just going to make sure the shape is good, so I'm just going to sweep through it. I'm not going to create a guide. I'm just going to take the tips off. As you can see, the last haircut was round, so we're just going to keep it square. If the shorter hairs there don't reach the guide, then I'm just going to leave it. I'm just going to keep my fingers horizontal, elbows up, keep it nice and square. That's the look we're going for. We're going for a square layer, yeah? At the back, I might round it a little bit. Keep as much of that weight there, but we're going to take the fade as high as possible, and we're going to just keep the fade super tight and blend into this length here. That is the plan. So I'm just going to dry off the sides. Be scared to cut his hair, though. You know, imagine that. That's your job. Cool. So I'm just going to start off with a number 3 to remove any of this weight, but we're not going to remove weight when it starts to curve. So we're just going to keep it really heavy. We're almost scooping out, just to clear it up a little bit for when I put in that super high zero placement line. Cool, so right now I'm just using the detailers just to skim the sides, because you know Kim Jong-Un likes it proper skin, so his haircut lasts a little bit longer, don't you? That's what you like, don't you?
That's what I like.
I never knew Kim Jong-Un had a British accent.
Not many people know about me.
Cool, so to get a tight compressed fade, I'm going to fade down. I'm just going to keep scooping out lower and lower, and that should keep the fade nice and tight, and it shouldn't stretch it out too much. I'm going to start off with my 1.5 guard, and I'm just going to work all the way down to the 0. open. close, and I'm going to scoop out closer and closer to the line without taking it too high. So now going to my one guard, I'm going to go open, we're going to flick out slightly closer to the line, close it now, just above the line. And I'm going to skip out the 0.5 guard, I'm just going to go straight into my lever all the way open. I'm not even going to fade it in too much, I want it to look like it's almost not faded in, because that's how the leader likes it. Isn't that right?
That's right. Supreme leader.
Supreme leader, sorry. Supreme. Repeat the same steps, so I'm going to use my 1.5 guard. I'm flicking out just above the line, probably about 1.5 centimeters or 2 centimeters above that placement line. Close it, flick it out a little bit lower. Close it, just above the line. And then no guard, open, and I'm going to slowly close that, keeping it very tight to that line. To be honest, his fade is really bad, so even if I give you a dead haircut, it's going to look more like him, innit? So sometimes you rock the middle parting as well, yeah? Rock the middle parting as well, which is quite in fashion at the moment. Sometimes even I rock the middle parting. That one's really good. That one is almost coming out. He's almost got that tapered shape, so it almost comes out like that. That's how heavy he likes them corners. No, I think that's photoshopped. I don't think, yeah, but that looks pretty cool though. How's that looking for you, Kim?
I like it.
Do you normally have a wet look or dry look, Kim? Wet in it normally.
Wet look.
Let me know if it's too hot. Because he's such a sick guy, like, cool. So right now, I've blow dried it into position. The side. What do you think? We just need to put a bit of product in. But I'm thinking, you see the sides here? I'm just gonna clip over comb it. Definitely this is a pomade sort of look we're going for, and we're going to make the middle bit nice and flat, so I'll go straight down the middle with the product just to weigh it down a little bit more. We want more product in the middle. Yep. Supreme leader now, man. So now I'm just going to use the fine tooth comb in the middle. It should give the hair a little bit more tension and it should hold it down a little bit flatter.
Yes, YouTube, what's going on? Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. This video was a bit different. It was more for fun. Hope you guys found it entertaining. And if man like Kim Jong-Un ever finds this video, I hope he's proud of what I done. And if he wants a personal barber and if the price is right, Barber Jase is where it's at. But big up to everyone that's watching. Make sure you stay tuned every Thursday 7 PM. Stay fresh, stay faded, stay blessed. It's your boy Barber Jase. and it's coming home. Come on, England.